Welcome to Mother-Daughter Diaries. Today we're diving into the next episode of our The Fridge Forage series. Get ready, because today we are making a comforting favorite, Bhajji Bhaat. The ingredients. To get started, you'll need veggies, a big onion, and some cauliflower florets. The batter, besan, gram flour, turmeric, chili powder, salt, baking soda, and carom seeds. The flavor kick. Green masala. This is a blend of coriander, green chili, garlic, and ginger. The side. Rice, curd, black salt, oil. Step 1. Washing and boiling rice. First, wash your rice and get it boiling. Step 2. While that's cooking, let's prep the veggies. Cut your cauliflower into florets and parboil them in water with a pinch of turmeric and salt. You want them tender but still firm. Don't overcook them. Once done, drain and let them cool. Then, simply slice up your onions. Step 3. Mixing the batter. Mixing the dry ingredients and adding water. Now for the heart of the dish, the batter. In a bowl, combine your besan, chili powder, turmeric, carom seeds, salt, and that fresh green masala. Slowly whisk in water until you have a thick, smooth consistency. Whisk it good so there are no lumps. In this batter you can add rice flour too to make it more crispy. You can also add finely chopped green chilies. Don't forget a tiny pinch of baking soda right before frying to make them extra light and crispy. Step 4. The fry up. Dipping veggies and frying them to golden perfection. Time to fry. Dip your cooled cauliflower first, then the sliced onion later into the batter, coating them thoroughly. Drop them into hot oil and fry until they are a beautiful golden brown. You can make this using potatoes and paneer as well. Can you hear the oil sizzle? On a plate, put a few paper towels to get rid of excess oil. Drain them on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Pro tip: fry up a couple of whole green chilies for a spicy garnish. Step 5. We aren't done yet. Frying kurudi. Fry up your kurudi, that sun-dried rice treat, and some papad for that essential crunch. Step 6. Finally, let's make a quick buttermilk. Whisk some curd with black salt and a little sea salt until smooth. Keep whisking the curd before you add water to make sure there are no lumps. Then add water to your preferred consistency. In the original dish, we are supposed to make yellow kadhi, but since it's summer, so we are making buttermilk instead. In this buttermilk, you can temper it with cumin seeds, green chilies and curry leaves, and later add finely chopped coriander to garnish. Now for the best part, eating. How to eat like a pro. Take a serving of rice, top it with your hot bhajis, and give them a good smash with your fingers. Pour over that cool buttermilk. Crumble in your kurudi and papad. And there you have it, Bhajji Bhaat.